Hi guys, welcome to me Sassy. Today I am completing a style that I already started and I'm doing the beading right now. So I'm going to show you how you attach a eye pin to a bead. So this is your eye pin, this is your bead. You insert the eye pin into your bead and then you use your pliers. You try to get it to a right angle triangle, a right angle, 90 degrees. Then you clip off the excess and then you use the round pliers. You grab the end and you turn until you see that you get an eye like this. Hope you see it. Alright, I have completed all of my beads. So now it's time to hang it on to the necklace. My pliers, my beads already set with the hooks, my jump rings. So let's get started. So I've started to bead the necklace. These are semi-precious beads surrounded by colored glass beads. This is a leather, genuine leather flower. So let me finish up beading this necklace and you guys will see the completed style. The necklace is completed. I really love how it came out. It really shows spring and summer. The yellows, the oranges, the different shades of blues. Remember guys, it's always about making a statement.